Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the Leetcode question number 670, maximum swap. The question is, you are given an integer num. You can swap 2 digits at most to get the maximum valued number. Return the maximum valued number you get. We are given 2 examples here. In the first example, the number is 2736. So if you swap 2 and 7, you will get 7236, which is the maximum valued number. The next number is 9973. Since this number is already the maximum valued number, no swap is needed. Hence we are returning the output as 9973. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the approach. Let's assume that our number is 2736. As a first step, we will load each number in a list. I am declaring the list as nums. Next, we will iterate from right to the left. We will declare a variable max index and we will store the index position of the last number in the max index variable. In our case, the last element is 6, which is in the index position 3. Now we will iterate from right to the left. Our next element is 3. We will compare 3 with the max index element. Since 3 is less than 6, these two numbers can be swapped. So we will assign the index position of 3 to xi and we will assign the index position of 6 to yi. Now we will iterate to the next element. Our next element is 7. We will compare 7 with the max index element. Since 7 is greater than the current max index, we will update max index with the index position of 7. The 7 is in index position 1. Now we will iterate to the next element. Our next element is 2. We will repeat the same steps. We will compare 2 with the max index element. Since 2 is less than the max index, these two numbers can be interchanged. So we will assign xi as the index position of 2 and we will assign yi as the index position of 7. Now we have iterated all the elements. Now we will swap the xi and yi. So our nums list will become 7, 2, 3 and 6. This is our max value element. Now we will return the integer of nums. Our integer of nums is 7236. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. As a first step, we will assign max index as the index position of the last element. Max index equals length of string of num minus 1. Why I am giving minus 1 is because the Python index starts from 0. Now we will assign xi and yi as 0. Now we will assign nums list and store each element in the list. Nums equals to list of string of num. Now we will iterate from right to left for I in range of length of nums minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. If nums of I is greater than nums of max index, we will change the max index as I. If nums of I greater than nums of max index, we will change the max index as I. If nums of I less than the nums of max index, These two numbers can be swapped, so we will assign xi as I and yi as max index. L if nums of I less than nums of max index, xi equals to I, yi equals to max index. After iterating through all the elements, we will swap xi and yi. Nums of xi, nums of yi equals to nums of yi, nums of xi. At the end, we will convert the nums list to an integer and we will return the integer. Return int of dot join string of x for x in nums. That's pretty much it. Now let me submit it. Let me correct the typo. Now let me submit it. There is an additional parenthesis. The solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I am sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.